We are taking this bag of Sour Patch Kids and soaking it in this alcohol.
Let's see if it makes a good shot.
Intro. So like I said, we're going to be taking this bag of Sour Patch Kids and soaking it in vodka. And originally, my idea was to use a mason jar, but we're going to brew this up a little bit because I forgot it. So we're going to use this jar. If you're familiar with this, we used it in our Devil's Lemonade. Check out the video over here. And very simply, all I'm going to do, open up this bag of Sour Patch Kids, pour some out. I'm also going to try one because this looks like strawberry watermelon glow-ups with black light stuff, so can't be good for you. Oh, damn, this is really good. So, we got our Sour Patch Kids inside the jar. Now I'm going to take our vodka. We're going to pour this bad boy in. Like so. Close this up. And let it soak for a week.
Maybe give it a little shake.
A little shake. Oh, I wonder if it's going to glow in the black light. Ooh. Maybe we should try it out. So when I actually pour the shot, I'll bring my black light. All right, let's see what happens in a week.
And we're back.
So it's been a couple days. We didn't necessarily wait a whole week. We even got a little excited.
Yeah.
And we're going to try out, see how it tastes.
Okay, let's get to it.
So, let's see. First thoughts, the color looks a little peachy.
Yeah.
Right? We still have some of the Sour Patch Kids in there.
White.
Yeah, they leached the vodka leached it through. So let's see. Let's pour this bad boy out. Maybe we can try some of it,
or make a mess.
Stay tuned. All right. Are we gonna try out the candy?
Of course.
Okay. So let's try out the candy first. It didn't melt entirely, probably because we didn't let it sit that long. But let's see how this goes. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
That's not good at all. The consistency.
Yeah, consistency is like.
That's bad. What would you? It was like soft sand. Not even sandy.
Yeah. It's like a cross between like I don't know, like
horrible and disgusting
and
yeah, like a
gritty and
gruel.
Yeah.
All right, but let's take a shot.
Yeah.
Let's get a little bit of ice in here. I want to cool this down. I don't want to do this just straight.
Yeah. I agree.
Okay.
Yeah, straighten out some of those bad boys.
And I'm gonna measure. I don't know why I can't say measure. I feel like I'm like Jack Sparrow when I'm gonna measure this olive. That was good. That was good. Pour that into the ice. Let's shake it up. Imagine it just went boom! Knockout. Night night. It has a distinct odor.
Yeah.
Like you can smell it in the air as soon as I poured it out. And I need to put a little more liquor in this because apparently I misjudged. Stay tuned. Beep. All right.
And we're back.
So, moment of truth. Let's try out Strawberry watermelon Sour Patch Kids soaked in vodka.
Also inspired from Doko Ryan.
Yes. His name's going to be down in the description below.
Smells like cantaloupe.
Which is weird.
Yeah.
Because it has nothing to do with cantaloupes. It does. It smells very sweet like cantaloupes. Oh, we're trying it? Oh, crap. Go. It sort of tastes like cantaloupes.
Yeah. And then you get the alcohol from the vodka.
Yeah.
And
which is a weird combination.
yeah.
Like, it's almost like reminiscent of Midori.
Really? It does. It does.
Right? So, Brew scale 1 to 5, Kareem. What are you giving Sour Patch Kid shot? So weird.
Yeah, that is weird. I'm gonna. This is confusing.
I don't hate it.
I don't hate it either. Is it a tippy top? I wouldn't say it's a tippy top. It's good.
No. Okay. I'm guessing the numbers right now.
I'm gonna say 3.5.
Oh, I was close. I give it a 3.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments down below what you think of this shot, if you tried it out, or if you tried anything similar to this.
Just remember, drink responsibly.
Yeah, don't drink and drive. Stop and chug. And on that note, oh, wait. We got to do our Kareem.
Also, this is continuing with Vodka Week. So, make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified on our next video. And like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly. Microphone check 1 2 1 2.
Kareem's doing his Sith Lord voice.
It's Lord Sidious. I guess no microphone check for you.
Microphone check 1 2 1 2.
Okay.
Me.
Tip of the tongue. Tip of the tongue.
So now that I'm chewing the candy, and I can't talk, stay tuned.